And we are
live.
live.
Buhay, buhay, buhay.
Hello.
Again. Thank you for tuning in again. Yung manunood dyan for our replays. Thank you for watching us yesterday. It was a recap yesterday, and now it's gonna be exciting topic today.
Yeah.
And we are excited to share it. And hopefully, whatever you guys are being through right now, and sorry, and hope this topic again, it will inspire you, encourage you,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and be positive always, not only in business but in life.
Yeah, because it's a
It's
new
a
new
new
day.
day, it's a new blessing, and always remember,
God is good,
all the time,
and all the time.
God is good.
All right. Okay. Just quickly. Again, so it is so time check. It is 11:09 in the morning right now. It's September 18, Wednesday
Mm-hmm.
here in Northern California. For some reason, I was thinking it's still 17. Kakalimutan ko na yung time. But anyway, and so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. Um, thank you for watching us. And for those who will watch our replay, thank you. Thank you for checking out our video and so your support. Okay. So, so have you already showed the topic for today?
Yes, our
So,
day 22 of the 90-day success challenge. And
mhm,
our topic today is to recognize the value of small wins. Oh, small
recognize
wins.
the value of small wins.
Sag.
Pasensya na po sa mga ano namin, we're multitasking here, doing our
Yes.
parent duties.
Wala kaming bench player ngayon. Kaya
Yeah. Yes.
kaya kami talagang ngayon. If
Yes.
we have a bench player sana, di pwede namin ipasa itong mga kids
Uh-huh.
while we do our live. But still, that won't stop us. That won't
Right.
stop us to show up in our business.
I mean, that's
And
the beauty of our business, right? This is because it is online or digital. We
mm-hmm,
can do it wherever we are,
mm-hmm,
whenever to whatever time. Or right now, it's our this is the best time right now for us to do it because in a little bit, my husband will go and pick up our kids. So
mm-hmm.
yeah. So anyway, so going back to our topic, value of small wins.
Hi,
Hi,
Shay.
Shay. Yeah.
Oh, first
First
honor.
honor.
First honor, Cheryl Honor.
Mhm.
Honor. Oh, ba? It sounds nag-rhyme
Honor,
yun ah.
honor. Ah, ganun pa yun.
And it starts with a A, Honor.
Mhm.
First, joke lang, joke lang.
Anyway, maybe we can do a quick should we do another a quick introduction ng ano natin? For
Which
those
one?
ano, hindi natin introduce sa sarili natin. But then, I
Oh,
mean,
yeah, then
they
again,
can
yeah.
see our name. So, my name
Okay.
is Zapra.
And this is Ken.
So, we are the owners of this
This website, www.genozap.com.
www.genozap.com.
We are digital business owners
Owners,
and a
yes.
mentor also.
Yes. My husband is stay-at-home dad, and I'm a nurse, a
Mm-hmm.
full-time nurse. But right now, I'm on my maternity leave.
Yes, and
And the good thing
then
about this digital business is, while I'm on my maternity leave, it is providing supplemental income for us.
passive income, right?
Yes,
Positive,
which
positive
is,
lang. With
you know,
negative, you won't get anything. So that's why positive lang. Passive.
yeah.
Stay passive.
Anyway, so yun. So anyway, so again, so we're doing this 90-day success challenge because we want to improve ourselves. We want to have a personal growth, professional growth.
And set a
At the
role
same time,
model sa
role
mga
model for
business
our
owners,
business
business
partners.
partners. Yes.
Challenge
Why
ourselves
not stop?
because it is definitely a new skill to learn,
Mm-hmm.
especially you're in a digital or online business. um that's how it is now. You have
Yeah,
people are
no?
doing go lives, then you have to go with the trend too, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because if you want to be marketable, if you want to be competitive, right, to other
Businesses.
businesses out there, then you have to do what is going,
What you must do.
what is the trend right now, right? Ayun. So anyway, so going back, our topic: recognize the value of small wins.
Small wins. Wag mo sabi nga nila, kahit maliit, nakakapuwing din.
So ano ba mga small wins? Small wins muna natin. Na
Small
masabi mo.
wins. By taking that leap of faith or taking that
Doing
facing
the
that
first.
fear, yung clicking that click button to register. Yun na yung small
Yes.
wins mo kasi
It is a small win, that's right. Because
once you get join in our business, it's a win-win situation.
Mhm.
Nobody losses. And
Yeah.
you will enjoy the benefit already. That's a
Yeah.
small win already. Even sabi nga ng Panginoon, God tells us, when a sinner is saved, the heavens is rejoicing, sabing gano'n.
Oh.
Kaya kaya wag mong maliitin ang mga small wins.
Mm.
New beginning, sabi nga gano'n.
Yeah, but yeah, definitely I agree with that. I was taking
Because ito nakalimutan ko. Because small wins are progress in points. Di ba?
ayun, yung taking the leap of faith to register, actually. Yes, that's definitely a small win because
Mhm.
you overcome your fear, your
Mhm.
self-doubt, your fear, to check it. I know, I definitely understand. There's people are hesitant. We were skeptical too at first. Is this legit? Like, because there's a lot other people are scared to be scammed.
Yeah.
And that's the reason why we're doing this 90-day success challenge, because we want to show you that we are real people
Yes.
with real results, with a legitimate business. So hopefully, when you're watching this, it will be a good enough proof for you that you know this business is not a scam. But at the same time, how will you know? If you won't open it, it is
Mhm.
just gonna be asking you, if you register in our website. If you go to our website, it's just gonna ask for a name and email, which is normally you give out when you like
Yan
go
na,
to
yan
like
na.
websites,
Come on.
either purchase, even for purchasing, you put those information in there. So we're not even asking like private information. So
Mhm.
um that shouldn't give you it shouldn't be worrisome, or
Mhm.
don't worry about the or your information, because we're not even gonna leak out your information. It's just an email that we're asking you.
Kaya sabi nga nila, do not overlook your small wins.
Mm. Ayun.
Ayun,
So,
because
ano, ay,
a
pasensya na
small
po, magulo yung
victory
anak
is
ko.
still a victory, right? There's a
Oo.
victory within the struggles. Mas maganda yung ganon.
Mhm.
In every victory naman, may struggles ka dyan, di ba?
Mhm.
Kaya nga, yung struggle mo with our business na sabihin mo scam or anything, that's a struggle already. You're, fina-fight mo yung sarili mo. But when you face that struggle already, that small win already, and taking that leap of faith, di ba? That's a win-win for you already, for
Mhm.
yourself. Not only, pero just thinking of it, that small win yung pag-click mo, by pagsali mo, by taking that leap of faith, I mean, it's a big win. Kasi alam mo kung sino magbe-benefit, it's a benefit for yourself,
For your
to your
family.
wife, to your family, to your kids,
Yeah.
or to their kids, magiging
Mm.
anak nila, kasi this business they could pass it
It's
along.
yeah, it's just generational wealth.
Yes, it's a
Yes.
generational weight. Kaya sabi nga yun, it's a small win but it's a big win
Eventually, yeah.
eventually.
Mhm.
Kaya yun ang maganda with our business. Kaya that's why kung ano pang hinihintay mo dyan, just go in our website www.genosop.com and take that leap of faith and face that fear.
Ayun.
That's gonna be your small win.
Hi to our 2 million viewers. So, si Shay, Ate Jeans, good morning. So, sabi nila, I'll just read this one. Hello, beautiful people. Ayun, yes, first honor kasi si Ate Gina. So, ayan o. Tatlong gold medal daw. Hello, mga ading, sabi niya. Yes,
Mhm.
correct. Ayun. So, Also, another small win that we can consider in our walk or in our journey in this business
Mhm.
is actually overcoming or yung having a developing positive mindset,
Mm,
'di ba? Or
mhm.
yung overcoming yung feeling ng rejection. Um,
Yes.
kasi of course to those who are our business partner right now, ayun din, dumaan din kami sa ganun, especially for the first few months in this business. We also went through multiple rejections. Pero I remember what yung sinabi ni
Mhm.
Dr. Chi.
'Yan ano.
Sabi niya, pag hindi ka pa daw parang kung naaapektuhan ka pa
Mhm.
sa rejection, hindi pa yun, parang hindi pa enough ata. Parang sabi niya dapat by this time dapat you feel numb na, you're used to it na. Rejection is
Mhm.
just part of this part of our journey in this business.
Yes.
But then kasi rejection will make you you'll learn from it, right? You will become
Mhm.
stronger.
Ay, good
Kung
morning,
naapektuhan ka
Sis
pa, sabi
Lay.
niya kulang pa. That means you have
Good
to,
morning, good morning.
maybe kulang pa, kailangan mo pang maka, mag-go to ng more rejections daw. Kasi dapat by now daw, hindi na daw tayo na.
Ay, kaya nga kasi 'di ba nga in any victory, in any kwan, there's a struggle talaga. Yung parang it's yung parang sinasabi na it's with yung victory 'pag pinaghirapan mo talaga,
Oh.
yun.
Huh?
Like, example ko lang with the kwan, David and Goliath, right? David was small, Goliath is big.
Mm.
Eh, in life naman meron din naman 'yan 'pag may mga sa athlete naman meron yung talagang malalaki ta's maliliit ka. Pero look at the David, right? Kahit ang liit niya tignan mo, siya ang naging kwan, in the long run tinalo niya si Goliath na malaki,
Mm.
and then at the end tignan mo ang naibigay sa kanya the whole kingdom,
Mm.
naging king siya.
Yeah. Actually, yun yan, small wins for him is actually he was a shepherd, right? He
Hmm,
was a shepherd. He was just yun, nagpapastol lang ginagawa niya, and siya ang so as a of course as a shepherd, he has to protect his sheep, and he's been like fighting mga big animals, mga lions and stuff, but
yes.
then bear or whatever, 'di ba? Tapos so yun yung mga yun, I mean that's a big win supposed to be if I look at it, but then parang if you compare on what his achievements, parang small win lang yun, but then eventually actually that
Yeah,
prepared
if you
him to become yung mga
yeah.
success niya
Kaya
hanggang
nga
sa
gaya
naging
ng
king siya,
sabi
binigay
nga
ng
niya,
Panginoon sa kanya yung mga yeah.
kaya sabi ko nga 'di ba kahit small wins 'yan pero if you gonna look it in a positive, way or positive, way of life,
Positive mindset.
positive mindset, titignan mo pala malaki pala 'yan at the
Mhm.
end.
Mhm. Hi Sis Lay,
Ang
good morning
laki-laki na
po.
'yan na hindi mo siya mako-content.
Yes, hindi po replay, you're watching. Hi Sis Debbie. Sa pareho
Hello.
sila parang off na ba sila from work, kaya yan
Oo.
present. Ayan, sabi ni Sis Shay, tama, correct, correct, correct. Recognizing your small wins makes you feel a winner na and blessed, and will motivate you to keep going in your life and value yourself more. Sabi natin,
Mhm.
Gina, tama, kasi kung apektado tayo, may chance pa na mag-give up tayo. Yes, kaya nga dapat, so you being able to overcome yung ganon, yung rejection, yung feeling
Mm.
down from the rejection, that's also a win. Actually, parang ang hindi pa small win, big win na 'yun sa akin, 'di ba?
It
Big
is a
win
big
'yun.
win already.
Yeah, but then just, I guess you could say that, every time you overcome a rejection, that's a small win, you know? Kasi but then, kapag multiple times sa lahat na dami-dami, then it becomes big. But anyway, Abay, good morning po, Vice. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Yes, ignore lang ang mga rejections na yan kasi they are the path for us to meet the right people that really needs our help and have the same work ethics like us.
Yes.
Yes, and then sabi natin diyan, big win na yan, of course. Yun nga sabi ko. Yun, big win. Good
Good
day,
day.
VP.
Ikaw yung VP. Bakit
Yeah.
ba
So,
uh
ganun. Small wins yon. Ano pa bang maiisip natin na small wins? So, pero actually,
Ito, small wins is yung
But then yung topic kasi natin is recognizing the value of small wins. So if you think about, in order for you to recognize those small wins, you have to develop the um yung pagkakaroon ng pagiging grateful, pagkakaroon ng ganun na
yes.
mindset, pag-uugali,
Yes, that's true.
developing that pag-uugali na maging
Mhm.
grateful even in small things,
In
in
small things,
everything.
in everything, yes.
In fact, sorry, pasensya lang po.
Kaya nga sabi nga sa Luke 16:10, right?
Let me flash that out. Hold on.
One who is faithful in very little, also faithful in much. Ganon din naman pag one is ano yan?
So let me read it.
Yeah.
Luke 16:10. Whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much.
Mhm.
And whoever is dishonest
Dishonest
with
with
very
very-
little will also be dishonest with much. But let's highlight with that part where, yung very little, who can be trusted with very little can be
Mhm.
trusted with much. So yun, 'di ba? First, in order for you to be able to, parang yung idea rin lang na yun nga, dapat you be able to recognize yung
Yung
mga
small
wins,
wins,
small
small
blessings
things,
mo eh.
and you still be
In order for you
grateful.
to be grateful, ganun. Or yun nga, being grateful in those
Hindi yung parang ano tawag no?
konti.
Ganito lang naman, okay
Mm-mm.
lang. Konti lang naman. But still, right?
Yeah.
That's still a blessing.
I know. Kaya nga, yung iba, I mean, yung iba kasi, syempre, so in our business,
Ito na naman, humor lang. Parang pumunta ka lang sa loto, right? And you won $20. O bumalik yung taya mo, it's still a win. It's
yes.
still a win-win, right?
Mhm.
Kahit balit pa man yan, no, di ba? At least you didn't waste the money and bumalik yung tinaya mong $20.
Mhm.
No, 'di ba? Parang ganoon din lang. You need to be parang grateful ka lang na hindi yung talo naman, bumalik lang naman yung one. But still,
Yeah.
it's still a win. Yun nga, yung gaya ng sinasabi ni Mrs. nga, you need to be grateful.
Learn to have a grateful,
heart
thankful, yeah,
and
yung
thankful
it's
heart.
heart, yes.
Even if it's in worst time or worse or good, you still need to be
Actually,
grateful.
parang it goes hand in hand with having a
Mhm.
positive mindset kasi yan. Kasi, how will you see, how will you, parang in order for you to learn to be grateful with yung small things nga. And even just yun nga, yung pag-wake up lang in the morning. Being thankful to God that you woke up in the morning,
Mhm.
is already, parang that's a good practice of, or showing na yung being grateful. Pero yun nga, you have to have positive mindset kasi kung if
Mhm.
someone who is negative, who has a negative mindset na parang hindi niya nakikita yung goodness in everything, na laging parang ang nakikita, iniisip niya lang yung masama, na parang okay, gigising siya na, ako na naman, trabaho na naman.
or ako,
You know?
being a stay-home dad, right? Papatulog ako ng bata with the nighttime and then, in the morning. Gigising na naman ako ng maaga para magluto ng pagkain nila. And gigising na maaga to prepare them go to school. Di ba? Yung parang ganun na lang. No,
Kung negative,
it's
kung
a
negative ang
no. It's a negative pinapato mo. Who will affect you? Maapektuhan ikaw, mostly yung mga bata.
Mhm.
Sila maapektuhan kasi hindi sila makakapag-perform ng mabuti if you're not performing also.
Mm.
If you're not performing good.
Ay,
And ito nga, sabi ni Shayden, the go live that we do every day, small wins na ito.
Yes, that's true.
Tama.
Kasi nga, being able to
Show our
show
face
our
here.
face every day.
Talk about
Every day, 'di ba, parang it's a somewhat struggle pa ng, do I need to do it?
that's a win already.
'Di ba?
Face
So
na,
every time you decide to
yes.
show up.
Mhm.
Kasi like for kanina lang sabi ko, parang ayoko pang gawin kasi nga really I just, parang ang hirap talaga siguro
I
dahil
know,
na rin
minsan
sa
ako rin
kulang kami
nagpupush.
ng tulog.
Mami, ano na? Anong oras na? Magla-live pa ba tayo? Sabi ko sa kanya.
Sabi ko nga, akala ko pa nga September 17 pa rin kasi nga yung bang yung utak ko talagang wala. Pag kulang ka sa tulog, nahiya ako mag-show up sa dito sa Go Live kasi sabi ko paano kung hindi ko alam kung ano
Yeah,
sasabihin
kasi
ko.
nagkukulang ka ng tulog kasi nga
Yeah.
you need to wake up to
Nagka-pump ako every
magpa-pump
morning,
every
ganyan.
4 hours or 3
Nade-drain
hours
ako.
kaya
Pero,
yun.
thankful. So, yung being grateful, we are grateful to God kasi nagagawa namin to because of Him talaga lang. We
Amen.
always, yung before
Who He is strengthen us.
yes, kasi nga, we know, sabi nga namin, Lord, just provide the wisdom. Kasi
Yeah.
hindi namin alam, like we've been telling you guys, one of our reasons we're doing this is we want to be able to inspire and encourage you guys na nakikinig. But how can we do it kung hindi wala ang tulong ng Panginoon? So
Yes.
that's why we are thankful to God. Yeah, there you go.
Sabi ni Shane, never giving
Up
up
in our business
business.
is also a small win. Correct. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yes. Big win.
Yeah, it
Big
is a
win.
big
Feeling
win.
ko big win. Sa
It's a
akin,
big
big
win.
win yun. Yeah,
The
kasi
air that we breathe for good health, grateful they
you know
were
what sa
able to
tingin
start
actually
our business.
the difference
Yes.
between I think small win, big win, it's a matter of kasi yung mindset ng tao who's looking at it. To someone maybe yung staying in the business might be small win to them,
Mhm.
but for us who's already being grateful we already practice that. This thing being in the continuing to stay in this staying in the business is already a big win. Um yeah. Ayun pa. Ano ba? Sorry. Anak ko. Yes, I know. Someone is calling anak. Mo. Ano sabi ni Ate Gina? The air that we breathe for good health, grateful they are, we were able to start our business. Yes. Ayan, sabi ni si Shay, tama yan, always be positive.
Relate.
Right.
She relate daw siya. Oh, she resonate.
Yeah. Alam mo kung yun, sabi niya may magandang comment sa Ate Gina diyan, tingnan mo. Kung grateful ka sa lahat ng bagay,
Big
sa lahat,
wins.
big wins. Yes.
Yes.
Kasi, when you already develop that
Yan,
being grateful to everything or to small things talaga. Yun nga yung sabi mo nga yung just being able to wake up, being alive, having life, being able to breathe, you know, being acknowledging that, or
Ito,
thanking
ganito
God.
na lang. Being positive. Kahit malikot-likot to pagla-live namin, di ba?
yung acknowledging na or thanking God na na hindi ka wala kang sakit.
Agree.
Teka lang,
Yes,
saglit lang
agree ako dyan.
Sige,
Ha?
tuloy mo.
Tuloy ko ang alin.
Tuloy mo pa. Ano pa kasi may tumatawag.
Why?
Wala pa sila? Tawagan mo sila.
I know. Kaya yun nga.
Ano?
Being grateful lang talaga.
Ano?
Kasi tignan mo ito. Being
Ano yung
positive.
isang
Kung
train?
negative
Ano
kami
yung
and
isang
then
train?
our kid is here.
Okay lang. Okay lang. Sige.
Iniistorbo
Ano,
kami.
masarap
Siguro ito, napalo
Nakalive ka
na.
Sige, nakain.
Nagalit ka na. You're being impatient na. No, yan na. No. You will hurt your eye.
Yeah. So, but then, ayun, tawag to. Ay, anak, please. Pasensya na po.
Yes, agree ako dyan. Sabi ni Ate Deb.
Yun. Pero anyway, to apply it in our business though, it's really important nga na we'll be able to recognize small wins kasi that will motivate you really to keep going in the business or in any other business as well. Or in life. Kasi kung hindi mo nare-recognize yung mga small wins mo, that will stop you, from keep going. Kaya maraming mga iba na hanggang sa simula na lang, puro simula. Is because they're already looking at the parang yun yung gusto nila parang overnight success kind of mentality or
Hindi.
anak ko yung sponsors ko.
Kunin mo muna. Yun na nga. May bagay yung glasses niya. pa rin yung maliit.
Ayun, small win,
Ayun.
napatahimik ko. Being positive na lang. Ay ko po. Ay, nako.
Ayun, small win mo yun. Napatahimik mo siya.
Ano sabi natin, Kon? Small win pag nahabaan ang pasensya sa anak, mga anak. I know! Diba? Nako, kailangan mo
Just by
5.
watching your goal.
Shay, 5. Just by watching your goal is already a big motivation for me to keep going. Thank you, ate.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's our, laging yun namang hinuhope namin. You know,
Big
big win sa akin yan, sis. Yung ginawa ko. Patahan ko yung bata. Anyway, ayun nga, it is definitely important for you to recognize small wins. Kasi that's the one that will, so that you can, it will motivate you to keep
enhance you
going. Kasi
more.
nga, ayun nga, sabi, di ba, yung verse, you have to learn to, sabi niya, you need to be trusted with small things din muna before God can, so, parang before God can give you that greater blessing, dapat malaman, ma-realize mo muna to, na to be grateful or to learn, yun nga, yung knowing your small wins muna. Kasi kung, ayun, and then change in mindset, ayun na rin, yung sinasabi ko nga, important to have a positive mindset. This go hand in hand. Kasi, if you are negative, if you have negative mindset, hindi mo ma-recognize yung mga small wins mo. It will become, having a negative mindset is, it's like an obstacle, right? You have to overcome that in order for you to to continue with your journey to success, right?
No.
Ayun. Tapos ito pa, another,
Pasok mo yun, ha?
another verse. Sa 1 Thessalonians 5:18, give thanks in all circumstances, for this is the will of God in Christ Jesus for you. Yung sinasabi namin nung last time din na, even when trials come, actually, ang trials actually parang blessing in disguise yan eh.
Yeah.
Right? Kasi
With this,
God allowed it to happen for a reason, for you to learn, to grow, and at the same time, kasi He is planning to give you a greater blessing. Tingnan mo, hindi nyo pansinin nyo ang buhay ninyo. Pansinin nyo yung mga trials na dumarating sa buhay nyo. Pahirap ng pahirap. or hindi, may mga, sometimes you will have parang repeated challenge, pero 'di ba very easy for you to overcome those. Pero once na sanay ka na doon, or hindi na, doesn't bother you anymore, God will allow another, a bigger, or a much challenging challenge or trial in your life, 'di ba? But anong kapalit nun? Blessing. Kaya changing that mindset sa amin kasing mag-asawa, we develop to change our mindset na kapag may trial, instead of being worrying or mapapadala sa negativity. And again, that negativity na pumupunta sa mind natin, those are lies of the enemy.
Then it will lead to a fight.
Yeah, true.
Mag-aaway kayo.
Mag-aaway kayo niyan. Pero kasi lies talaga ng enemy yan. Kasi ayaw ng enemy na, kasi alam ng enemy na, alam ng devil na after nito is a big blessing. Victory. 'Di ba? Na ibibigay sa'yo ng Panginoon. So, ayaw ng enemy na makuha mo yun eh. So, talagang ida-drag down ka niya, right? So, you have to recognize those na na differences, na, or yung for you to know that, or changing your mindset, that trials are there for a reason, not to, God allowed those trials not to harm you, but to make you stronger, because He wants to bless you, right? To prosper you, to prepare you for a greater future, a better future for you and your family. Yun. Ayun. I think almost ko naman na may sabi. Ito pa, may isa pang verse na nahanap si Kenneth. Ayun, Romans 8:28. Ito naririnig niyo so for sure. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. Ayun. Yeah, everything works, all things works together for the good, for your good. Yeah. For your good. So talagang, trials may come, but those are just part of the kwan.
Parang impression lang yun ng Romans 8:28 is do not despise small beginnings. The Lord rejoices us just to see the work.
Ha?
Yun lang naman yung kwan yan
Sinasabi
eh.
niya.
Parang
Say it
sinasabi
again.
niya yan.
Say it again.
Yung
Ano yung binasa mo?
sa Romans 8:28 nga na
Okay, ulitin mo. Do not despise.
small things because the Lord rejoices just to see the work.
Meron pa yan. Mahaba-haba pa
Aha.
yan. But yun, parang to elaborate, I'm just trying to elaborate yun, nadi-distract ako sa mali. Ito na naman, no, nandito na naman siya, na-activate na naman siya. Pero yeah, kahit man mapa-trial man yan, you know, still, kung isipin nyo, may meditate nyo tong verse na to, yung salita ng Panginoon na to, it's still, it's all in God's, it all happens, parang part ng recipe yan.
Mhm.
Recipe na niluluto ng Panginoon. It's just, it is part of it. Para maging masarap, 'di ba? Parang or maging mas ma-enjoy mo, mananamnam mo yung
Masasamsam
mo.
mo.
Sabi ni Brother Roger, masasamsam mo yung ibibigay niyang blessing, victory sa iyo.
Yes.
Ayan.
Every trials is a blessing.
Ano sabi ni Ate Jen? Big win sa akin yan, sis. Okay, ano pa?
Yan,
Every trials is a blessing. Yes. Kaya nga yun. So, ayun, we hope na itong mga na-share namin is, again, had provided some encouragement to you guys,
Mhm.
inspiration, especially to our business partners out there. Huwag kayong manghinayang, wag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Do not give up. Keep going,
Yeah.
okay? Ang mga kwan, yung actually just you showing up for your business, posting, kahit pa kunyari let's say hindi niyo magawa ang 3 postings or kahit pa isa-isa pa lang,
Mhm.
still that's a small win kasi nagawa mo mag-show up sa business mo. 'Di ba? Ayan.
Yes.
Yes.
I think pretty much yun na yun.
Yeah. So again, we will sa mga nanonood or manonood ng live
Replay.
namin who are not part of our business yet, we invite you to check our website. As you can see in our screen out there or the lower part, it says there pretty much, yeah, just pray and take the leap of faith. We're showing our face because we want to show you that we are real people,
We are confident with this
Yeah.
business and
Yes.
proud of na this business is 100% business, legit business.
Yes.
We pay our taxes and
Mhm.
we are tax registered too.
Yes. So and we are enjoying the benefits already of this business, and so that's why we want to bless you by sharing this good opportunity to you.
And it is tested already by our business partners, yung mga nandun na.
Yeah. Dami na, as
Try
in.
and tested na already.
Yes. And then our business is global. So wherever you may be, this business could work for you. So
Sabi ni
just
James, pag walang trials, hindi magle-level
level
up. It's a test of life siguro.
test
yan.
of life siguro.
Yeah, it's a test of life. Tama naman.
Ayun
kung-
sabi nga niya, no, test daw. Ayun,
test, yeah.
pasensya na, tao lang po.
Thank you guys for
We're always inspiring, motivating us. No,
No,
thank
us
you
too.
rin.
Thank you
Nakakuha
rin.
rin
Thank you
kami
rin.
ng we also get inspired by you.
Yeah,
you know.
inspired.
See,
get,
this is a
get
good
some
thing.
insights too.
It's another benefit or good thing about our digital business for those who are listening to us who are not part of our business yet. We have a very supportive community.
Yes.
Yeah. It's very supportive. So even though, let's say, when you join this business, it is gonna be your own business, but hindi ka nag-iisa.
Yeah,
You have a lot of support from your mentors,
Yan si
coaches.
Shay, all the way, saan siya? Florida? Ay? Saan siya? All the way.
Virginia.
Oh, tingnan mo yan.
Aray ko.
All the way Virginia. Tapos si
Ang-
Ate Debs, all the way Hawaiian.
Yes, we're global. We're
Mhm.
global. We're
That's
everywhere.
why again,
So,
I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait for this coming convention.
Yeah.
to meet
be
you
to meet you
guys.
guys.
At least
Yes.
pwede na kami makapag-convention. I know.
Malaki na,
Malaki na
malaki-laki na.
tong bunso namin and
Right.
okay na kami mag-travel. Alright, so yeah.
Ayan. So yan. So again, we invite you to check our website. Our website is www.genozap.com. Put your name and email address so you can and click register so you can get our free webinar.
Mhm.
Again, it is free webinar for you to have a so you will know how our digital business works.
Mhm.
And we
It's a
advise
free
you,
taste. That's a
yeah,
free
we
taste.
advise you go and go proceed for step 2 as well. That's we did that before when of course skepticism or you might have some skepticism around that time, but in order to overcome that, you have to or you for you to know more about our business, you have to proceed to step 2.
Mhm.
Yes, there's gonna be a fee, but then don't worry, that fee is fully refundable within 30 days, not 30 minutes, 30 days.
30 days. Only 30 minutes.
Within 30 days.
Mhm.
So at least, do all your necessary investigation,
Yeah, necessary homeworks
homework.
to check
Yes. If you
how
need to talk
legit
to
is our
us,
business.
or ask us, you have more questions, you can comment and message us. So that if you have more questions, we are there to guide you and help you. So,
Mhm.
ayun. Ayun na.
Yeah, yun lang.
Thank you. Nagawa namin in 30 minutes.
Yeah, I
Galing.
know. And why digital business?
Because it's more fun,
Less stress.
more joy.
Kaya join us
Ayun, more
again.
fun.
Again. This is Ken.
And I am Zap,
And we are proud
digital
digital
business
business owners.
owners.
Thank you for watching,
Thank you for
tuning in,
watching.
and hope to see you again
Again
tomorrow for
tomorrow.
another
Yes.
exciting
Topic.
topic and another kulitan nito. Itong maliit na to.
Yes.
And hopefully hindi kayo ma-distract sa kanya yung mga pinagsasabi rin namin. And hopefully even nandito nagpapakyut tong makulit na to sa inyo. Nai-inspire kayo pa rin, motivate kayo pa rin sa mga pinagsasabi namin and we share. And
Yeah.
that's the only thing.
Again.
We just only wants to bless you. We pray for you too. And God bless again. Happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Bye for
Bye for
now.
now. Bye.